We're looking at mostly cloudy skies right now down in Richmond on our preserve camera. You can see the sky looking a little dark. We are watching some showers very closely that are likely going to move through the region at some point this evening. You can't really tell there, but where it's a little bit brighter up here in Providence on our sky cam, you have been able to notice that hazy sky today. We are still dealing with a little bit of wildfire smoke. It's all going to get swept away by these systems that are going to be moving through in the next couple of days. So here's batch number one of rain. Not as heavy. This is where the heavy rain is right now. It's a slow moving, almost training line of rain that has been causing flash flood warnings down towards the Philadelphia area. It's something we'll watch closely as we head into the overnight hours. Right now we're dealing with pretty dry conditions across the area. Again, we had a couple of showers down near Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket. Actually, looks like it's still at the very least cloudy, if not reporting some light rain right there. Some sunshine as we head up towards Taunton, places like Smithfield right now. That's of course where the warmer numbers are as well, but everybody in the 70s today. We talked about this earlier. Word a little bit warmer out, probably more noticeable, but the humidity is definitely there in the atmosphere today. You take a look at these dew points, especially as you get a little bit further south, they're in the 60s. And once you start getting into the 60s, again, becomes more noticeable when the air temperatures are higher. But when the dew points start getting into that 60s range, you're starting to feel a little sticky, a little bit more uncomfortable. And as we get towards 70, you're talking about the middle of summer when you start to see dew points like that. And again, of course, it is hotter at that time. But yeah, you can kind of notice it today, again, especially when the sun is shining, breaking a little bit more of a sweat out there. We do have an area of low pressure, and we've seen several of these over the last month or so, these upper level lows that just kind of get caught up in the jet stream and spin over us and bring some cooler weather, usually cloudier and showery weather, and it looks like that's going to be the case this week. It's not completely stationary, it's slow moving, but as it does sit around in our upper atmosphere, at the surface level, we're going to get a couple of storm systems that move through. First one comes tonight. Again, there's going to be some pockets of some heavier rain as we head through the overnight hours. Here is that line, again, that's tracking over Philly right now, bringing that real heavy rain. Looks like it mostly misses up, maybe goes a little bit further north. And then as we head into the daytime hours tomorrow, it's just a mainly cloudy day. Cannot rule out a sprinkle or a shower. In fact, our HRRR Futurecast model shows maybe even some sunshine breaking out for a few hours during the afternoon, and then it'll stay pretty quiet. Again, very back and forth pattern that we're looking at here. So not every day is going to be a washout. I think it's one of those weeks where you just throw the umbrella in your back seat and you hope you don't need it, but expect that you may along the way. Here we are into Wednesday. Wednesday morning is dry, watching some showers to come back in Wednesday afternoon, and it'll sort of go back and forth as you'll see here in a second on the 7-day through the end of the week. Tonight's a pretty mild, muggy overnight, 60 degrees, showers, patchy fog, winds out of the southeast. Tomorrow, those winds will begin to shift to the southwest, and we should dry things out. Again, can't even rule out some breaks of sun in the afternoon, but it is a mostly cloudy day at 76 degrees and still, again, a little on the muggy side. Wednesday, we'll see those showers coming into the afternoon. Thursday looks like I'd say the best day of the work week. I mean, today was not bad again. 76 degrees on Thursday, 78 on Friday. Showers once again around, and then that low passes offshore over the weekend, and it should mean some pretty nice weather as we head into your Father's Day.